Good morning to all of you. Today we are learning about a subject discrete mathematics. In discrete mathematics we are teaching about a mathematical logic. First I am giving a introduction about a mathematical logic. Many proofs in mathematics and many algorithms in computer science use logical expressions such as if P then Q, or if P1 and P2 then Q1 or Q2. We also investigate the truth value of quantified statements, which are statements which use the logical quantifiers for every and there exists. Now, first topic of a mathematical logic is propositions. A proposition is a declarative statement which is true or false but not both. That means अगर कोई सेंटेंस है तो वो ट्रू है या फॉल्स है बट बोथ नहीं है. तो कोई सेंटेंस आपको दिया होगा वो ट्रू होगा या तो फॉल्स होगा. एग्जाम्पल फॉर फर्स्ट, पेरिस इज इन फ्रांस. तो पेरिस इज इन फ्रांस, इट इज़ ए ट्रू स्टेटमेंट, देयरफॉर इट इज़ ए प्रपोजिशंस. सेकेंड स्टेटमेंट, 2 + 3 = 7. 2 + 3 = 5, we all know about this. Therefore 2 + 3 = 7 is a false statement, but it is a truth value false, therefore it is a propositions. Third statement, x = 5 is a solution of x² = 25. x² = 25 का जो सॉल्यूशन है इट इज़ x = 5. देयरफॉर ये जो x = 5 है वो x² = 5 25 का सॉल्यूशन है, तो इट इज़ ए ट्रू स्टेटमेंट, देयरफॉर इट इज़ ए प्रपोजिशंस. फोर्थ स्टेटमेंट, वेयर आर यू गोइंग. वेयर आर यू गोइंग इट इज़ ए क्वेश्चन, बिकॉज लास्ट में आपको एक क्वेश्चन मार्क्स दिया है. तो वेयर आर यू गोइंग इट इज़ ए क्वेश्चन, नॉट ए स्टेटमेंट. इसका आप कौन सा ट्रूथ वैल्यू है वो आप डिसाइड नहीं कर सकते. देयरफॉर वेयर आर यू गोइंग इज नॉट ए प्रपोजिशंस बिकॉज इट इज़ ए क्वेश्चन. फिफ्थ स्टेटमेंट, 2 > 5. 2 > 5 इज नॉट ए ट्रूथ, वी ऑल नो, but 2 > 5 has a truth value false, therefore fifth is a propositions. 6, do your homework. ये एक स्टेटमेंट है लेकिन उसमें एक ऑर्डर दिया है आपको कि डू योर होमवर्क. इट इज़ नॉट ए स्टेटमेंट, इसमें आपको एक वर्क दिया है कि डू योर होमवर्क, देयरफॉर इट इज़ नॉट ए propositions. Here statement 1 and 3 are true, statement 2 and 5 are false, therefore 1, 2, 3 and 5 are propositions. Statement 4 and 6 are not propositions. Next topic is a disjunction. Any two proposition can be combined by the word or to form a compound proposition is called the disjunction of the original proposition. Last time we have discussed about a conjunction. In conjunction, two statements are combined by the word and. Disjunction is the same as the conjunction, but it is combined by the word or. Now symbolically we can write disjunction as P or Q and read as P or Q. If P and Q are false, the P or Q is false, otherwise P or Q is a true. When statement P and Q both are false, then P or Q become a false, otherwise in all the case P or Q become a true. Now truth table of a P and Q statement are defined as a following. Statement P is a true, statement Q is a true, then P or Q become a true. If statement P is true, statement Q is false, then P or Q become also true. If statement P is false, statement Q is true, then P or Q also become a true. If statement P is false, statement Q is false, then statement P or Q become a false. Here we are denote that when P and Q both are true, when P or Q become a true. Otherwise in all the case when P and Q become a false, then P or Q become a false. Here only last statement is false, each of the other statement is true, since at least one of its substatement is true. In P and Q we are learn about it. When P and Q both are true, then P or Q become a true. In disjunction we are learn about when P and Q false, then P or Q become a false. Here 3 statement is true, 1 statement is false. In conjunction, first is false but other statement is true. This is a truth table of P or Q. Now next topic is a negation. 3 types of logical connectivity we learn: disjunction, conjunction and now last negation. A negation is an operation that takes a proposition P to another propositions. That means first statement is a P, then another proposition is not P. Symbolically it is denoted by not P or a negation of a P. It is read as not P. If P statement is true, then not P become a false, and if P statement false, then the not P is become a true. Truth table of a negation statement is denoted by as follows. If P is true, then negation of P is become a false. If P is false, then negation of P become a true. Thus, truth value of a negation of P is always the opposite of truth value of P. We are also see in the truth table, when P is true, negation of P become false, and when P is false, negation of P is true. First example, Paris is in France. Second statement is, it is not the case that Paris is in France. That means first statement is a P statement and second statement is a negation of P. The first statement is called a negation of a second statement. So now next topic is a truth table. Let P denote an expression constructed from logical variables P, Q, up to dash dash dash, which take on the value true capital T or false capital F, and the logical connectivities and or and negation. Such an expression and P, Q, up to dash 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 will be called a propositions. First example proposition is a negation of in the bracket P and negation of Q. Now we are construct a truth table for this proposition. First of all, we write main propositions P and Q. After then we can write negation of Q, then we take P and not Q, and in the last we take negation of into the bracket P and not Q. First of all, statement P is true, Q is true. Statement P is false, Q is false. P is false, Q is true, and P is false, Q is false. Now, if Q is true, then negation of Q become false. If Q is false, negation of Q become true. If Q is true, negation of Q become false. If Q is false, negation of Q become true. Now, we are construct a statement P and not Q. Now, it is a conjunction between statement P and third row negation of Q. Now, T and F, it is equal to F. T and T, it is equal to T. F and F, it is equal to F. And F and T, it is equal to also F. Now, last row is a negation of P and negation of Q. We construct the last table as a, it is a and negation of P and not Q. If P and not Q is a false, then its negation become true. If it is true, then its negation become false. If it is a false, then its negation becomes true. If it is false, then its negation become true. Therefore, we can get a truth value of negation of P and not Q as a set of T, F, T, T. Now, we are learn about first example. Find the truth table of negation of P and Q. Same as we construct in last example, negation of P and not Q. Now we are construct only negation of P and Q. Main statement are P and Q. Then we are construct negation of P, and in the last main sentence it is a negation of P and Q. First, if P is true, Q is true. If P is true, Q false. If P false, Q true. If P false, Q false. So first negation of P, that means statement P, it is a negation of P. P is true, then negation of P become false. P is true, negation of P become false. P is false, negation of P become true. If P is false, negation of P become true. Now we are construct negation of P and Q. It is a conjunction between first and third column. Therefore, negation of P and Q, conjunction between negation of P and Q, it is become T and F, then it is become F. F and F, then it is become F. T and T, that it is become T. F and T, then it is become F. It is a truth table of negation of P and Q, and we are getting the final truth value is F, F, T, F. Now second example for the find truth value of negation of P and negation of Q. In this proposition, main statement are P, Q. Then we find negation of P, negation of Q, and in the last negation of P and negation of Q. First, P and Q is same as in the last example. It is T, T, F, F, T, F, T, F. Now, if P is T, then negation of P become F. If P is T, then negation of P become F. If P is F, then negation of P become T. If P is F, then negation of P become true. Similarly, as it is we find negation of Q, it is become TF, FT, TF, FT. Now last statement is a negation of P and negation of Q. It is a conjunction between third and fourth row. Therefore, F and F it is become F. F and T it is become F. T and F it is become F. T and T it is become true. Now next topic is a tautologies and contradiction. Some propositions P contains only capital T in the last column of their truth tables are called tautologies. That means a truth table only contains truth value to T, then it is called a tautology. Example 4. First, P or not P, or we can say that P or not P. First, truth value of P, T and F. Therefore, not P become F and T. Therefore, the statement P or not P, it is a distinction between statement P and not P. Therefore, truth value of P or not P, we can get T and capital T, because distinction between T and F, it is become T, and F and T, it is become T. Therefore, in last column, we get only truth value true. Therefore, it is called a tautologies. Here the last column contains only T, therefore P or not P is a tautology. Now, next topic is a contradiction. A propositions P, comma Q up to dash 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 is called a contradiction if it contains only capital F in the last column of its truth table are called contradiction. Example 4. P and not Q. Here P is a capital T and F. Therefore, negation of P become F and T. Therefore, the statement P and not P become, it is a conjunction between the statement P and not P. Therefore, conjunction between T and F, it is F. Conjunction between F and T, it is become F. Therefore, in the last column P and not P, we can get a truth value only false. Therefore, by definition of a contradiction, we can say that it is a contradiction. Here the last column contains only F. Therefore, P and not P is a contradiction. Now, next topic is a contingency. A proposition that is neither a tautology nor a contradiction is called a contingency. That means in the truth table of P or Q, we can get both value. That means true and false. So here the example of a contingency is a P or Q. Last time we are getting a truth table of P or Q. It is P and statement Q, and it is disjunction between two statement P or Q. Therefore, statement P has a truth value T, T, F, F. Statement Q has a truth value T, F, T, F. Therefore, P or Q become, it is a conjunction between T and T, it is a T. Disjunction between T and F, it is a T. Disjunction between F and T, it is become T. And disjunction between F and F, it is become F. Here the last column contains both the value T and F. Therefore, by the definition of a contingency, we can say that P or Q is a contingency.